Hey guys, I'm currently working on another project and I just realized that I have my dado stack in, and there's another project from WhostheVoss. It has 2 million views and he has some pretty bold claims in that video.
And this accessory could make you more money than a US governor's salary.
So we're gonna try out that project. We're gonna see how well it works 2 years later. And well, I'm gonna make it slightly different. Instead of using the miter saw over here, I'm going to use my table saw with the dado stack over here. Now my thought of it is, why should I do 1 million cuts when I can do 2 cuts? So I'm gonna do it this way. It's gonna be in a slightly different grain orientation than his, but I don't think it's really gonna matter. So let's suit up, because this is super dusty. I'm covered in dust. I'm really itchy right now. I'm not enjoying it. So let's just get this out of the way so I can dry myself off. Dry. I ain't wet. I'm not wet. Not yet.
I set the depth of my dado stack to 3/4 of an inch.
All right, so we're at this stage where we're going to be cutting this into a bunch of small pieces, and then we have to drill a lot of holes. You can see that my phone fits in here quite well. It's standing pretty straight up, and then we're gonna drill a hole through here, which is gonna pop out right in the center of this. And then in theory, it should amplify the sound. Whether or not it will or not, I don't know. I'm actually going to rip this a little bit shorter because I feel like it's too long as it is right now. So I'm gonna make it 4 inches long. Cool. So I'm gonna set my table saw to 4 inches. Now it will make the most sense for me to sand this now. All right, so to cut these to size, I'm actually just gonna take my phone and I'm gonna use my phone as a template. So I'm just gonna lock this inside. So I lock that down. I'm gonna take my phone, put my phone right up against it, and then we'll put a stop block right about here. And these Samsung phones, they're pretty large. So you can expect that if your phone holder fits one of these phones, it's gonna fit any phone. So while I'm cutting these out, I'm just gonna take a moment to ask you if you guys can like this video. Subscribe. And comment. It would help so much. Wow, that's a lot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I made 15 of them. I only wanted to make 10. I gotta drill 15 friggin' holes. Dang it. Dang it. I didn't want to drill 15 holes. I just wanted to do 10. So my piece is 3 1/4 inches across this way. So because of that, I'm gonna be measuring in 1 5/8. And I have to do that 15 flippin' times. Almost done. Okay, now my pieces of wood are 1 7/16 wide. Just a 32nd under 3/4 of an inch is my center point. Yeah. Perfect.
We're nearing the end of this project, so cast your prediction in the comments whether or not you think we're going to sell some and how many we're going to sell.
All right, we're at a total of 55 minutes We're almost under an hour. All right, we got 15 phone holders here. Now let's find out if it actually works. So my microphone is right here in my, my shirt, and I'll stand in the same place, and we're just gonna place them. Okay, so we've confirmed that they do in fact work. We've completed them, we made 15 of them. So now all that's left is we need to post them online. Now, before we actually post them online for sale, we have to do some market research. So I'm gonna browse my Facebook, I'm gonna search up phone holders, phone amplifiers, and then based on that, I'm gonna determine a price I think is fair, and then I'm going to post them for sale, and then we're gonna see what happens in about 2 weeks. Inside of this box right here is what remains of my experiment to see.
Bruh, chick.
Inside of the box right in front of me is what remains of my experiment to see how many of these phone stands will actually sell. They're not really phone stands, they're phone amplifiers. They're a bit of both. Now, the reason why I made this project and why I picked this project is because the idea of an amplifier that's passive kind of interested me, and I wanted to try it out to see if it worked. So I figured I can, well, do an experiment to see how well a project actually sells, because you guys like those videos, and I would also get to test out this amplifier. Now, before I dump this box, I do also want to say, you guys should check out WhostheVoss and his channel. He makes really good content on projects that you can make to sell. Now, not every single one of them is going to be a seller, but it's still just ideas. So, with that said, there's no hate towards WhostheVoss. I'm a big fan. Great project, great projects. We are going to dump out this box and find out how many I actually sold.
My disappointment is immeasurable, and my day is ruined.
The answer to that is 0. Now, you guys already saw how much I priced them for. I went for $10. That's $35 underneath the price that he says in the video. I believe I'm gonna correct myself if I'm incorrect in that. On top of that, that's US dollars, and I priced mine at Canadian dollars. So it's an even bigger gap. 2 years ago, you might have been able to get away with this, but the market is extremely saturated for these. I bit the bullet. This cost me about $3 worth of wood and some time to make. And now you guys will know that, you know, this project probably isn't the #1 project to make. Well, maybe I saved you some time at the very least, if not a little bit of money. I'm not saying this project can't work, but you know, I'll pull up a bunch of those pictures again really quick. A lot of development has gone into these to make them a lot more unique and a lot nicer looking, and I think that plays a big part where this is not very interesting. And then on the other side, Amazon, there's like a million listings for these types of things, and most people shop on Amazon. That's kind of the sad truth of it. It's hard to sell stuff. It's hard to break through. So, how would I rate this project? I think overall it's going to end up being a 4-star project based on my metrics. I'm kind of doing it in my head to figure it out. And sales is a 0 out of 5, essentially. Because they did not sell, and I think it's way too saturated for this specific version. I'm gonna ask you guys, comment below if there's a project you want me to look at next, and well, maybe it'll be the next project that I take a look at and test so you don't have to. But again, I'm gonna have WhostheVoss in his video. It's a very good video, linked at the top of my description. You should check him out. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one. There's a boombox version.